Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video, viewers, I will show you beautiful garden decor ideas. So I hope you are enjoying my videos. So friends, let's start today videos. So viewers, create a beautiful garden path. Let's start with the garden pathway. A simple pathway can make a garden look more organized and attractive. You can use natural stones, small rocks, bricks, or wooden pieces to create a path. Place the stones carefully between the plants. You can make a straight path to create a soft path. A curved pathway can give the garden a more natural, relaxing appearance. Add small flowers along both sides of the path. At night, you can place small lights along the edge. This simple idea can make your garden look magical. Add a colorful flower pot. And friends, viewers, flower pot are one of the easy way to decorate a garden. You can use pot in different size and color. Place large pot near the entrance. Use smaller pot around a sitting area. You can also group several pot together. Try using different height to create more visible interest. For example, and elegant look, choose pot in small color. For a cheerful garden, use bright colors such as pink, yellow, blue, orange, and purple. Flower will bring life and color to your outdoor space. So friends, I hope you are enjoy my videos. So please subscribe to my YouTube.